So, I have a question. Do you really need external factors to make a business successful? Honestly, I'm asking you guys this because I used to think that every business needs outside support to grow in the market. But after watching Huawei, my whole perspective has changed. I mean, think about it. Huawei got banned from Android world back in 2019, and unlike other brands, it couldn't rely on high-end American tech or products. On top of that, no Google services. Just imagine, no smartphone brand would even think of making a phone without Google services, but Huawei, instead of relying on that, they built their own ecosystem called HarmonyOS. And now, this phone, the Huawei Pura X, just look at it. This phone alone proves that Huawei is growing fast no matter how many challenges it faces. Whether it's the design or the performance, this vertical foldable is setting new trends in the industry. So, do you really need external factors to succeed? Huawei had nothing, yet it made a global comeback. Huawei wasn't even allowed to use 5G, but guess what? This phone uses 5.5G speeds, which are actually faster than the regular 5G. It couldn't use AI models like the ChatGPT, so it developed DeepSeek, its own AI model. It built the Kirin 9020 chipset and is now working on the HarmonyOS PC, which is launching in May. So if there's one thing we can learn from all this, it's self-belief and the hard work. Huawei kept pushing forward and refused to rely on the external factors, and just look at where it is now. Huawei the brand is making new heights of success and making sure to dominate the smartphone market at the same time. So I hope I got my point across. Let me know what do you think about it in the comments section below, and as always, I will keep you posted guys in the next one. Peace out.